Hi friend, in this video I will discuss about today's trade in Nifty Power Lantern Jackpot trading strategy. In this strategy, what we have to do is that we have to enter a couple of data point in the Excel sheet. I am showing you the Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, we have to enter the data. So ideally, we have to enter the data of first 15 minute and the second 15 minute and the last 15-minute data of the Nifty in this Excel sheet one day before. The detailed strategy I actually discussed in this ebook. This Excel sheet is designed to based on the strategy I described in this ebook. You can download this ebook and you can find the exact strategy what is about, and using this Excel sheet you can find one day before if there is an opportunity tomorrow there is any big one day one sided trading movement or not. So so far so far today I will show you how we can able to capture a very good trade in this methodology. We have earned 8550 point. Overall this system is performing very well this month, and also in this whole year of 2020 the total profit comes around 1,67,118. And I am showing you now the detailed track sheet. After that, I will show you exactly how to do it. Let's go through quickly. This this month we have with this 1, 2, 3, 4 trade, and our first trade was 2nd of the June. We have earned 82 point. 4th of June 43 point. 5th of June we lost 63 point, and today we gain 114 point. So if we check the entire data of the 2020 in this year, then so far have we had total 43 trade. Out of 43 trade, 27 trade was profitable. Losing trade was 16. It was around 63% accuracy. Total losing point was 785. Total gain point was 3013. Average point loss was 49 and average point gain is 111. So it comes around roughly 2.63 risk reward ratio, and total point gain so far 2228 point. So trading with one lot, uh, one could have earned 1,67,118. Now I will show you how to do it. As I already mentioned that the strategy is described in this ebook, but now I will show you how to use this Excel sheet. So what we have to do is that after market close, we have to enter the data here, and if there is an yes over here, as if there is no data and it is saying is tomorrow is a power lantern jackpot opportunity. If it comes yes, then next day we have to trade based on this plan. What is the trade plan? The trade plan is to trade on breakout on of next day first 15-minute candle. So if there is an yes, then next day first 15-minute candles high low, we will put a order, bracket order. On a break of the high, we will go long with the stop loss below the low of first 15-minute candle, and with a break below the low of the first 15-minute candle, we will go short with the stop loss of the high of the first 15-minute candle, and we will exit the trade at 3 p.m. That's it. This is if the stop loss not taken, then we will exit the trade at 3 p.m. This is the strategy. Now I will show you by entering Friday's data what was the trade here. So high of the first 15-minute candle, remember I am entering the Friday's data, so you have to enter the 1 day's data. So if tomorrow is a jackpot opportunity or not, you want to check, then you have to enter data of today. So the high of the Friday's data first 15-minute candle was 10,125, and the low was 10,000 6240 62.40. Okay, and the high of the second 15-minute candle data was 10 137.40 and the low was 107.10. High of the last 15-minute candle, high was 10184 and the low was 10133.05. As you can see that as soon as I enter the data, it turns into a yes. Once it turns into yes, then what you have to do is that, as I mentioned earlier, that you will trade based on the first 15-minute candle breakout. So first 15-minute candle's low was 10265. So your entry should be around this level. Let's see. So your entry, short entry will trigger at 10265, just below this low, and the stop loss will be high of this candle, 10.3010. The high is 9.95. I am taking it round figure, 10.310. And your trade, the trade executed in this candle, and then this was our stop loss, and trade exited at 15:00. That's means 3 p.m. The close was 10.157. So roughly around 10.151 we have exited, and we gain 114 point. Again, I am trying to summarize everything. The You have to use this Excel sheet to find whether there is any opportunity tomorrow or not. Number one, if all the strategy is described in this ebook, and in this ebook also I described how to enter the data, and I also give couple of trade example. You can ask for the track sheet to me. You can WhatsApp me, and this is the track sheet. So this is a good trading strategy if you trade it consistently. In this month of June, so far, if you check this month of the June, we have already positive of 13,000 by trading one lot. So thank you so much for your time. Have a good day ahead. Thank you so much.